Windows XP is getting pretty old, and as time goes on, more and more online features are gonna be taken down, such as the internet games back in 2019. But one is probably still working after all these years, and that is the phone activation on OEM version. Basically, you have 30 days from the day you install Windows to activate it, either with a product key or by calling a number, oftentimes for free, and giving them 9 number groups, and in responses, you will be getting 9 groups of numbers back. Sounds pretty cool. The YouTuber Enderman did this experiment back in 2021, and he assumed that this method will remain working for another decade. Well, almost half a decade has somehow passed, and we are about to try this again. I will link his videos about the topic if you're interested. I recommend them checking them out. And without further ado, let's build our fresh, unactivated copy of Windows XP. Now, all we need to do is wait for the pop-up reminding us to activate. Well, all that's left to do is call that toll-free number, but for this, I find it appropriate to use my old Nokia, since it's still somehow supported by my beloved Eastern European country, and I also really like these phones.
To help us improve the quality of our products, services, and training, this call may be recorded or monitored, and information collected on this call may be accessed by Microsoft affiliates, subsidiaries, and service providers internationally. To consent to recording or monitoring of this call, press 1, or to continue without. Thanks. To help me best assist you, I need to know if you are calling as a home user or as a business user.
Home. For a second I thought I was gonna be just pressing buttons for me to answer the bot, but no, I had to speak, which was different from my
Activating
experience
Windows.
back in 2021.
Okay, I can help with that. Got it. Okay, help with activation. For security purposes, I need you to repeat the following phrase. 200.
200.
Thank you. Before we start the activation process, are you at your computer with the activation window open?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. In order to activate your product, I'll need to confirm your installation ID. This is the number that should appear in 6 or 7-digit groups on your activation window. Do you have this number up on your screen?
Yes.
Perfect. Please let me know when you are ready to start speaking the installation ID.
I'm ready.
Okay, please read aloud the first group of digits, speaking one digit at a time.
328 840.
I believe you said 328 840. Is that correct?
Yes.
Please read the second group of digits.
382631.
I believe you said 382
Yes.
Okay, please read the third group of digits.
2, 8, 1, 6, 9, 5.
Okay, that was 2, 8, 1, 6, 9, 5. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thanks. Please read the fourth group of digits.
5, 4, 4, 4, 9, 6.
I believe you said 5, 4, 4, 4, 9, 6. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Thanks. Please read the fifth group of digits.
6, 8, 4, 9, 8, 3.
I believe you said 6, 8, 4, 9, 8, 3. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Okay, please read the sixth group of digits.
2, 4, 6, 1, 7, 4.
Okay, that was 2, 4, 6, 1, 7, 4. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, please read the seventh group of digits.
3, 8, 9, 2, 6, 3.
I believe you said 3, 8, 9, 2, 6, 3. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Thanks. Please read the eighth group of digits.
9, 5, 0, 4, 9, 1.
I believe you said 9, 5, 0, 4, 9, 1. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Thanks. Please read the ninth group of digits.
6, 1, 6, 8, 6, 0, 5.
Sorry, I don't think I quite got that. Please repeat the ninth group of digits once more.
1, 6, 8, 6, 0, 5.
Okay, that was 1, 6, 8, 6, 0, 5. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, great. One moment while I validate your installation ID. Your installation ID was successfully validated.
Yes.
To complete your activation, I will now read you your confirmation ID. Alternatively, I can send you a text message with your confirmation ID to the phone number you are calling from. Would you like that?
No.
No problem. We can take care of this step right here on the call. I will read you your confirmation ID in 6-digit segments, which you will need to enter into the empty block on your activation window. Please let me know when you are ready for me to start speaking your confirmation ID.
I'm ready.
Okay. In block A, please enter 0, 9, 2, 4, 4, 4. Again, that was 0, 9, 2, 4, 4, 4. Please say next after you have entered those in block A. Or I
Next.
can repeat that block again if you need.
Next.
Please enter 5, 8, 9, 9, 0, 6 into block B. Again, that was 5,
Next.
Please enter 2, 3, 3, 6, 2, 4 into block C. Again, that was 2, 3, 3, 6, 2, 4. Say next when you are finished.
Next.
Please enter 6, 5, 0, 1, 8, 5 into block D. Again, that was 6, 5, 0, 1, 8, 5. Say next when you are finished.
Next.
Please enter 7, 9, 1, 3, 0, 4 into block E. Again, that was 7, 9, 1, 3, 0, 4. Say next when you are finished.
Next.
Please enter 2, 0, 8, 2, 8, 1 into block S. Again, that was 2, 0, 8, 2, 8, 1. Say next when you are finished.
Next.
Okay, this is the last block. Please enter 5, 2, 6, 9, 9, 0 into block G. Again, that was 5, 2, 6, 9, 9, 0. Say done when you are finished.
Done.
Okay, that's the entire confirmation ID. You should now have all the blocks on your screen filled. Before proceeding, please take a moment to write that entire confirmation ID down.
Oh,
It
too
can
late.
be reused in the future should you ever need it.
Nah, too late. Oh, guess
Next,
we're done.
when you are ready, click on the Activate button. If no error message appears, then your product has been successfully activated.
Yes,
I'll
it
give
was.
you some time and check back with you.
I don't need you anymore. Okay, bye. Can I hang up? Like, I'm done. I don't need it. I just want to see what it says after I'm done.
Okay, if you still need a minute, just say more time. Otherwise, were you able to complete your activation successfully?
Yes.
Great. Glad I was able to help. Thanks for calling Microsoft. Goodbye.
Bye. Yay! We're finished. Let's go. Well, with all that, we've successfully activated this copy of Windows XP in 2025. Now, the explanation as to why this method still works in 2025, at least to my understanding, is because Microsoft stick to the same method for activating products well after Windows XP. For example, with Windows 7, if you don't have a product key and an active network connection, you can also activate it by this phone method, and also some later versions of Microsoft Office as well. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next project. Have a nice day.